Two people, same world. One's working late, another's relaxing on a yacht. One struggles paycheck to paycheck, the other makes money even while sleeping. Why do the rich keep getting richer while the poor stay stuck? Is it just luck, hard work, or is there something deeper happening? Today I'm going to reveal the 5 powerful reasons why the rich always get richer, and what you can do to break free. If you watch till the end, you'll discover the one mindset shift that can completely change your financial future. Let's dive in. You want to know the biggest secret? It's something that can completely transform your financial future if you understand it and apply it correctly. The rich don't work for money. They have a different mindset and approach to wealth. Instead of trading their time for money, they focus on creating systems and investments that generate income for them. They make money work for them. This means they invest in assets that appreciate over time or generate passive income. They understand the power of compounding and leverage it to their advantage. Think about it. What do most people do when they get their paycheck? They often follow a routine that doesn't contribute to their financial growth. They spend it. New phone, fancy car, expensive clothes, all gone. These purchases might bring temporary joy, but they don't contribute to long-term wealth. They call it treating themselves. But here's the thing. Poor and middle-class people spend money on things that take money out of their pockets. These are liabilities, not assets. They buy liabilities. The rich, they buy assets. Things that put money into their pockets. Assets can be anything from stocks, bonds, real estate, to owning a business. Stocks, real estate, businesses, these are the things that generate income, even while you sleep. The rich understand that true wealth comes from owning income-generating assets. Every dollar you spend is either making you richer or making someone else richer. When you buy liabilities, you're essentially transferring your wealth to someone else. So, next time you get money, ask yourself, am I buying an asset or a liability? This simple question can guide your financial decisions and help you build wealth over time. This one question can change your entire financial life. By focusing on acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities, you can create a more secure and prosperous future for yourself and your family. Educate yourself about different types of assets and how they can work for you. Read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from financial experts. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Budget your expenses and track your spending to ensure you're consistently moving towards your financial objectives. Celebrate your financial milestones and enjoy the freedom that comes with financial security. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Surround yourself with positive influences and reminders of your financial goals. Inspirational quotes, vision boards, and success stories can keep you motivated and on track. Finally, share your knowledge and success with others. Mentoring and helping others achieve financial success can be incredibly rewarding and can reinforce your own financial habits. Reflect on your financial journey and appreciate how far you've come. Every step you take towards financial literacy and asset acquisition brings you closer to financial freedom. Empower yourself with knowledge and take control of your financial destiny. Remember, the rich buy assets, the poor buy liabilities. Choose wisely and build the future you desire. Let's talk about saving money. It's something we've all been taught to do from a young age. We're told to save for a rainy day, to put away a little bit of our earnings each month, and to build up a nest egg for the future. But is saving really the best way to secure our financial future? Most people think saving is the key to wealth, right? We see it in movies, hear it from our parents, and read it in books. The idea is that if you save enough money, you'll eventually have a comfortable cushion to fall back on. But what if I told you that saving alone might not be enough? Wrong! You know what eats away at your savings every year? It's something that's often overlooked but has a massive impact on your financial health. Inflation. It's silent, it's sneaky, and it's making you poorer. Every year the value of your money decreases due to inflation. What you could buy with $1 last year costs more this year. This means that the money you're saving is losing its purchasing power over time. The rich, they don't just save, they invest. They understand that simply putting money in a savings account isn't enough to grow their wealth. Instead, they look for opportunities to make their money work for them. They put their money into assets that grow over time. These assets can include stocks, real estate, and businesses. By investing in these areas, they're able to generate returns that outpace inflation and build real wealth. Stocks, real estate, businesses, these things have the potential to outpace inflation and generate real wealth. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a piece of a company and benefiting from its growth. Real estate can appreciate in value and provide rental income. Businesses can expand and increase in value over time. Look, I get it. Investing can be scary, especially if you've never done it before. The stock market can be volatile, real estate requires a significant upfront investment, and starting a business comes with its own set of risks. but the potential rewards can far outweigh the risks if you're smart about it. But here's the truth. Keeping your money in the bank is guaranteed to make you poorer over time. The interest rates on savings accounts are often lower than the rate of inflation, meaning your money is losing value even as it sits in the bank. You're losing money by not investing. Every year that you keep your money in a savings account, you're missing out on potential returns that could help you build wealth and secure your financial future. The best time to start investing? 10 years ago. The second best time? Now. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect opportunity. Start educating yourself about different investment options, seek advice from financial experts, and take that first step towards growing your wealth. Your future self will thank you. Let's face it, most people are stuck in the rat race. They wake up early, rush through their morning routine and head out to work, often spending hours commuting. They spend their days in busy offices, surrounded by the constant hum of activity, only to return home exhausted with just enough time to eat, sleep, and do it all over again the next day. One job, one paycheck, living paycheck to paycheck. Many people find themselves juggling multiple jobs just to make ends meet. They come home to a pile of bills, each one adding to their stress. The constant worry about money can be overwhelming, leaving little room for anything else. But what happens if they lose that job? Disaster. A single layoff notice can turn their world upside down. Suddenly they're staring at an empty wallet, wondering how they'll pay their bills. Packing up their desk at the office, they face an uncertain future with no safety net to catch them. The rich understand this, so they create multiple income streams. They use leverage. They invest in stocks, build businesses, and diversify their portfolios. By spreading their investments across different areas, they reduce their risk and increase their potential for returns. They buy real estate that generates rental income, providing a steady stream of cash flow. Whether it's residential properties, commercial spaces, or vacation rentals, real estate offers a tangible asset that can appreciate over time. They have their money working for them in multiple ways. By investing in a variety of assets, they create a financial ecosystem that supports their wealth-building goals. This approach allows them to weather economic downturns and capitalize on opportunities as they arise. This is about diversifying your income, not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading their investments across different sectors and industries, they minimize their risk and maximize their potential for growth. If one stream dries up, the others keep flowing. This safety net allows them to maintain their lifestyle and continue building wealth even in the face of adversity. If one stream dries up, the others keep flowing. This safety net allows them to maintain their lifestyle and continue building wealth, even in the face of adversity. Multiple income streams act like a financial buffer, absorbing shocks and providing stability. If you're relying on one source of income, you're walking a financial tightrope. One misstep, and you could find yourself in a precarious situation. The stress of living paycheck to paycheck can take a toll on your mental and physical health, making it difficult to focus on long-term goals. You're walking a financial tightrope. The constant worry about money can be paralyzing, preventing you from taking risks or pursuing opportunities that could improve your financial situation. It's a cycle that's hard to break, but not impossible. It's time to start building multiple streams, even if it's just a small side hustle to begin with. Start by identifying your skills and interests, and look for ways to monetize them. Whether it's freelancing, starting a small business, or investing in the stock market, there are countless opportunities to create additional income streams, even if it's just a small side hustle to begin with. Over time, these small efforts can grow into significant sources of income, providing you with the financial security and freedom to pursue your dreams. The key is to start now and stay committed to building a diversified income portfolio. Here's a hard truth. The rich don't pay as much in taxes as you think because they understand the system. They know how to use it to their advantage. Think about it. Poor people earn money, get taxed on that income, and then spend what's left. The rich, they earn, invest their money in ways that are tax-advantaged, and then get taxed on what's left. They use deductions, write-offs, and loopholes that the average person doesn't even know about. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but it's the reality. The more you understand about taxes, the more money you keep in your pocket. Start learning. It's one of the best investments you can make. Here's the thing about wealth. It's not just about the money. Your biggest asset isn't your bank account, it's your mindset. It's about your beliefs, your habits, and the people you surround yourself with. If you hang around 5 broke people, you'll be the 6th. But if you surround yourself with successful, driven individuals, their energy, their knowledge, their mindset, it rubs off on you. Success becomes your new normal. Upgrade your mindset. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts. Surround yourself with people who are already where you want to be. Learn from them, model their behavior, and watch your financial life transform. So now you know, wealth isn't just about hard work, it's about working smart. The rich play a different game, and now, so can you. Which of these 5 secrets will you apply first? Comment below. Hit like if this video opened your eyes and subscribe for more secrets the rich don't want you to know. See you in the next video.